Let's show some love for our next single guy.
What's happening?
Okay, well, everyone popped their balloon, but I need your name.
Are you gonna give them like new balloon and stuff?
I had clothes, but I had no style. I used to think style was something that you could buy. So I did what a lot of guys do. I bought the Jordans, the jewelry, the watches, the jackets. Every paycheck, I convinced myself that one more piece and I would finally be able to put everything together. And every time I left the store, I felt good for about 24 hours. Then it'd be time to get dressed again. I sat in front of my closet and somehow nothing worked. I had clothes, but I didn't have style. I wasn't building a wardrobe. I was collecting random pieces and hoping that they magically turn into confidence, and it never did. So for a long time, I thought my problem was that I needed better clothes, but I was completely wrong about this. I'm sure you have too. Opened your closet that's completely full and still feel like you just had nothing to wear, because clothes and style aren't the same thing. Most men don't actually build a wardrobe. We just hold on and collect different pieces like a collection. We go and get a pair of shoes because Instagram said it was a limited edition. We get a hoodie because it was on sale and it was just a quick pickup, or we might buy a shirt because we saw an athlete wearing it. But in actuality, nothing matches. Nothing has purpose. Nothing tells a story. It's just a bunch of stuff. I've recently started documenting everything I've been learning about style, confidence, etiquette, and the psychology behind how men present themselves. And honestly, I really wasn't expecting this. In just about a month, we've had over 100 men join the Made Man Society. That showed me something. There was a lot of men out there who don't just want more clothes. They want more confidence, more intention, more clarity about how they show up in this world. So that's exactly what we're building. A place where ambitious men can rebuild themselves together, but by understanding why certain things work, how to build a signature style with the most confidence, how to become more attractive, not just in dating, but in the way people perceive you. And when you walk into a room, because the way you carry yourself, it opens doors for you. It affects first impressions, conversations, relationships, and ultimately the amount of opportunities that you have inside this life. So as we all know, we got an expiration date on our life. We only get one shot. So if you set yourself apart by at least looking good and feeling good, you got a greater chance of being successful. And most importantly, it changes the way you see yourself. These YouTube videos are where I'm documenting that journey publicly. And if you're watching this, you're building right alongside with me. I was the one that used to get fresh in high school, but somehow life got in the way. I started focus more on becoming successful and forgetting about my style and my overall swag and confidence that I would carry. I thought I didn't have time for that. I was too busy knocking down walls and trying to get my first real estate deal, if you want me to be honest. But since then, I've come to the understanding that expressing yourself through what you wear can dramatically increase or decrease the opportunities you have. So one day I asked myself a question that completely changed the way I look at things. I stopped thinking, what can I go and buy next? But I started thinking, who am I trying to become? That one question changed everything for me, because style isn't really about clothes. Style is communication. Before you ever shake someone's hand, before you introduce yourself, before you say one word, people have already started forming an opinion about you. The question is, are you communicating intentionally or on accident? Here's something I don't think enough people talk about. Every man has something that changes how he feels the second he puts it on. Maybe it's a fresh haircut. Maybe it's a watch. Maybe it's his favorite pair of boots or tennis shoes. Maybe it's a fragrance or sunglasses. For athletes, it's their uniform. When NBA players walk through the tunnel, they're not just getting dressed, they're preparing mentally. The outfit becomes part of the mindset to go out and dominate. And I realized something. Confidence doesn't always start inside. Sometimes it starts with evidence. You stand a little taller. You make more eye contact. You stop second guessing yourself. Not because the clothes made you a different man, but because they reminded you of the man that you're trying to become. Once I understood this concept, I stopped buying clothes, or at least I stopped buying random pieces. Every purchase had to answer one question. Does this belong in the life I'm trying to build? Not, will people compliment me if I buy this, but does this fit the man that I'm becoming? That's when my closet actually got a lot smaller. I threw a lot of stuff away, stuff that I couldn't fit, stuff that just didn't make sense for me. But my outfits, they got better. Getting dressed, it became easier. Whether I was going to the gym, having date night, or just chilling at home. Because I finally stopped shopping for pieces and letting the outside world influence me, and I started building an identity. That's what this channel was about. This isn't another fashion channel. I'm not here to convince you to spend thousands of dollars on designer brands. I'm here because I believe every man should know how to present themselves with intention. We're going to talk about style, color, fit, shoes, accessories, fragrances, grooming, psychology, everything across the board, because these things help you communicate the value that you already have. Again, style isn't pretending to be someone else. It's making the outside finally match the man that you're becoming inside. If you ever looked in your closet and felt like something was missing, you're in the right place, because this is only episode 1. Over the next few weeks, we're going to build up your style from the ground up. We're not starting with brands. We're not starting with trends. We're not starting with any of those things. We're starting with identity. Because before you buy another piece of clothing, you need to know exactly who you're dressing to become. And remember, every outfit tells a story. Make sure yours tells the right one. I'll see you in the next episode.